In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to write essays, 2026 full guide. Staring at a blank screen and trying to build a serious academic essay can feel like a second job. The days of asking an AI to write an essay about X and pasting the result are over. Modern review systems catch generic robotic text instantly. The key is to use ChatGPT as a collaborative research partner, not a ghostwriter. I'll show you how to set up a focused project space, shape a sharp, defensible thesis, lock in a source-backed outline, draft interactively, and polish your style so your own voice leads the work. Begin by creating an isolated research vault instead of typing into a blank chat. Open the Projects tab and create a new project. This gives you a clean workspace where you can upload your grading rubric, primary readings, and lecture notes. In the project's custom instructions, add a strict guardrail. Act as an elite academic writing advisor. You must restrict all future analysis strictly to the uploaded reference files. Do not generalize or draw conclusions outside of these specific parameters. This forces grounded analysis and prevents vague filler. Next, craft a thesis that can't be guessed or copied. Switch your model to thinking mode for deeper reasoning. Prompt it like this. Analyze the attached research files. Identify a major thematic tension, historical contradiction, or data discrepancy within the text. Develop 3 distinct, highly nuanced thesis statement options that take a firm, non-obvious stance on this tension. For each option, list 2 potential counterarguments I must address to ensure the essay remains balanced and rigorous. Review the options, choose one, and refine it so it reflects your perspective. Before drafting, lock down structure, act as an advanced developmental editor. Build a comprehensive structural outline for an 8-paragraph analytical essay based on our chosen thesis statement. For every single paragraph block, outline a mandatory markdown table listing the explicit paragraph objective, the core argumentative point, the exact source file page reference to use as evidence, and a strict instructions note detailing how that evidence directly links back to proving the core thesis statement. This blueprint prevents repetition and keeps every claim anchored to evidence. Now draft interactively using reverse prompting. Tell ChatGPT, review the paragraph, blueprint table for section 1. I'm going to input my raw, unedited thoughts and personal perspective on this point in a moment. Your task is to take my raw concepts and structure them into a formal, highly academic paragraph. Constraints. Do not use obvious AI transition words like furthermore, moreover, or it is crucial to note. Vary your sentence lengths drastically to maintain a natural human rhythm, and leave bracketed placeholders where I must manually integrate my direct source quotes. Repeat this section by section so your voice stays central. Finally, run a style audit. Paste the full draft and request. Act as an elite academic stylist and executive copy editor. Scan my complete essay text for any generic corporate fluff, repetitive paragraph openings, or obvious AI-generated cliches. Highlight the offending phrases, explain why they sound robotic, and provide a clean, copyable patch block showing how to rewrite them using clear, direct, and authoritative human phrasing. Turn the blank page into a guided process. Keep your analysis anchored to real sources, and let your own thinking shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.